RMZ EcoWorld 20 STP 520 KLD. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಬಯೋಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ನಾನು ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ EcoWorld 20 STP 1. ಸೊ 520 KLD. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಎಂಟರ್ ನೌ. ಇದು ಪಂಪ್ ರೂಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಂಪ್ ರೂಮ್. We'll open the door and see. This is our technology, biohybrid technology. Yeah, see our Gokul is our engineer, so he will explain the process. So please.
Okay, this is our first basket chamber. So we will be having one screen here.
Yeah.
And OG1, OG2, OG3.
Okay.
And it will go to the collection center.
Okay, here what will happen in OG1 and OG2, OG3?
They, weekly one we need to remove the oil.
Okay.
Oil will be floating there.
Okay.
We need to remove using that.
Oh, that is scoop type. Okay, that is jug type. So we need to remove from the whatever the scum layer oil. Okay, that it will overflow to the. Okay. Okay.
So equation tank full collection will be there.
Okay.
Again, from equation tank
Yeah.
we will have two pumps
Okay.
from here.
Okay.
From two pump it will directly go to the USB one.
So that is working and standby.
One working one standby.
Okay. Okay.
It will go to the USB between one flow meter and next.
So it is electromagnetic flow meter.
Correct.
Okay. Why this wall is there?
Bypass line.
Okay, if it is fails. Okay. So it will come to the USB tank. So it is what is this USB tank?
Up to anaerobic line.
So anaerobic. So this is a combination of aerobic plus anaerobic.
Yeah.
So this is not of HBR type. Okay. So the USB. What will happen in the USB tank?
The facility is downside and plain water only.
Can you call please the operator? We'll open this one. So now he will open the USB tank. So USB means the upflow anaerobic sludge blanket reactor. So we'll check how USB will work. Oh, this is the USB. So this is only anaerobic bacteria, full oil. Due to oil, I think anaerobic will not digest properly. So whatever that happen in USB 2.
Same process only.
Okay.
It will power for the biotower.
Yeah, can you please open one chamber cover? Oh, this is USB 2. Okay, it is overflow now. So this oil foam type oil content. Okay. So next, in USB 2, what will happen?
From USB to it will output to the biotower.
Biotower 1. So what is the biotower mean?
Biotower means
The trickling filter type. Okay. So this is the nozzle. So water will fill in recirculation tank. The recirculation pump will be there. It will recirculate the water through the nozzle. So it will sprinkle on the media. So this is the nozzle. So whatever the black sheet is there, means. So this is black sheet is called media, tap media or biodeck media. So this will recirculate 4 hours like this only. Okay. So what is the fan and this is thing?
you got that one we can post.
Yeah. See, this is the nozzle. So this is the two type of nozzles we are using. So this is big one nozzle. That one we shown the last time video. Na? That is the old nozzle. So it will recirculate 360-degree contact between the media and the bacteria air. So what is the use of these fans, Gokul?
So biotower needs pressure to microorganism to live.
Okay.
So pressure will be provided.
Okay. So it will suck the air and it will give inlet to the tank for to bacteria to so oxygen is required. Okay.
Whatever the air sucking will be there,
Hmm.
exhaust will be provided.
So why it is exhaust?
So where pressure will be coming here and exhaust need
So
to
whatever the releasing of this carbon dioxide, whatever the remaining gases to take out this up to root till end, right?
will go to the gas scrubber.
Oh, this will go to the gas scrubber unit.
scrubber unit.
Oh, it is good. Okay.
From gas scrubber to
No,
only
full
it
go.
will
Okay. Okay. So next after this, in biotower, how recirculation will happen? Biotower and biotower 2.
We are using one two pumps to recirculate in 4 hours.
Okay.
That is the sprinkler.
Okay.
It will overflow to the biotower 2.
So it will overflow. Okay. Same biotower 2 also same function of biotower 1. Okay.
Biotower 2 only we have the two pumps of circular transfer.
Okay.
From biotower 2 it will go to the circular transfer.
So this is the settler transfer pump. Okay. Okay. So what happened in settler tank?
settler tank will be only this settling type only. The,
Okay.
whatever water will be settled
Hmm.
and it will overflow to the filter.
So it will settle, the sludge will be settled. And we have one sludge pump, I think.
Transfer will be provided here.
Yeah, it
Provided
will go.
to centrifuge tank and to the collection tank.
Okay, both.
Both.
Oh, you can use there and you can use for this basket centrifuge. Okay. From settler tank, it will overflow to the filter feed.
Overflow to the filter.
So how filter feed will work?
In filter feed tank, there is one pump there.
Okay.
From here, two pumps will be there.
Oh, here two pump filter feed. Okay.
It will go to the filters.
Oh, this is okay. PSF and ACF. Okay, we'll go have here. Okay. Yeah. So this is the pump room. Okay. So you can explain this one how it will work. So where is the inlet of the filter feed? Oh, that is inlet. Okay. Oh, this is a pressure sand filter.
First one it will go to process sand filter.
Okay.
From process sand filter, it will go to the activated carbon filter.
Oh, what will happen in the pressure sand filter?
Filter, only the whatever microorganisms might be removed.
Okay.
The tables say everything only. Then it will go to the
Active.
carbon.
Okay.
So it will reduce the color.
Okay, good. So here anything dosing like chemical?
In between we are using chlorine dosing.
Chlorine dosing. So we'll add. How much ppm you are maintaining? You can explain.
So
Yeah.
in between we are using chlorine dosing system with
Okay.
Lido pump.
So to disinfect the bacteria, pathogens, to kill that one. Okay, they can use for further.
Further.
Okay, so okay,
Activated carbon filter, the color will be almost white color.
Okay.
It will go to the filter water tank.
oh final tank. This is the final tank. Filter tank. Okay, so this is it will. So how much? So it will show the outlet reading. This is electromagnet.
Again, from the beginning we have one flow meter.
So
How much water
now present how much meter cube is that?
will be.
Okay, leave it. How this? What is this equipment?
So
Can you explain?
in front sludge tank we are using one pump to.
Mean here there is no sludge holding tank.
No,
There is no sludge. So here like there is no maintaining MLSS like HBR. There is no big blowers.
We are not using anything like that. Only just whatever remaining sludge. That
Okay.
will go to the sludge small.
That active. This is activated sludge. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then it will go to this filter first and it will dewatering everything.
So I think it is mainly for OWD. I think. Okay.
We have one more.
Oh, that's for that. Okay. So that's why.
Will be returned back to collection.
That's why you given collection tank. If in case we can use for this basket centrifuge also. Okay, they can use for further for gardening land. Okay, this is basket. So okay, can you open this basket centrifuge? So this is the inlet. So this is the outlet.
This is go to the drainage.
This water will go drainage. The how cake will remove?
We need
Through.
to remove
So this one, this plate we need to remove, right? And this union we need to open. That whatever the bag inside one white color bag in that sludge will be there. That cake type we can take and we can use for further processing. Okay. This is HNS system, the to go flushing and. Huh? Okay.
level will be there in the
No, what is the use of gas scrubber unit?
That's why Biotower
Okay.
some harmful gas will produce.
Okay.
A small amount only.
Correct. H2S type like
So
methane.
that gas will be gas cover it.
Oh, to make odorless. Oh, odor into odorless.
For that only we are using this gas cover recirculation tank. It will
Oh, so this is the syntax where we are mixing here chlorine and plus water, fresh water. So it will go to the gas scrubber. Same water will overflow to the here. It will sprinkler. Oh, then whatever the converting odor into odorless, that will go to the
to the terrace.
terrace. Oh, this is to make odor into odorless. Oh, it is good idea. Like same media, biodeck media and nozzle sprinkler. So only mixing with the chlorine plus fresh water. Okay, good. Where is the fresh water pond for this one? Oh, can you open this one? This is you are using. Okay, raw fresh water we are using, I think. So it will okay. So good. Can you explain the what are the disadvantages and the advantages of this plant, like biohybrid system you are telling?
In other system, conventional system, we
Yeah.
are using blowers.
Okay.
So the noise pollution will be there.
Okay.
And sludge holding tank will be there. So we are not having this much.
Okay.
And power consumption also will be less. We
Oh.
only 0.5 HP fans.
Oh, good, very good.
Then BOD, COD level also will be less. So
Okay.
we are having anaerobic
So what is the outlet of the BOD COD here?
around 10,
Oh, COD?
50%.
Okay, 50 milligram per liter. Okay. So means incoming COD BOD is always high. So that you are okay. It's good. But tertiary, there is no UF here.
There is also
Water filtration is there.
after treatment plant, give it to you.
Okay.
And treatment plant.
Okay.
Then you can see.
Okay.
0.0.
See, this is our design engineer. You will explain. So can you read how much water is passed through that electromagnetometer?
Now it is currently 0.00.
Means like in meter cube, how much KL transfer? It will give based on the per day or what?
It will give based on this pressure.
No, based
Whatever
on
the flow we have considered
No.
for the filters.
okay. No, outlet it will show now how much water transported
Yeah,
this tank.
that will be based on this filter size.
Okay, now today how much water transfer now? How today?
Today it is 400 and
Can you explain the OWD? How? No, can I take this process flow chart? Through that, can you explain the STP? Okay, so serial basking OG1, OG2, OG3 collection tank. So this is the USB reactor one, same overflow to the USB 2. Then biotar one, here media will be there, water will recirculate. These are recirculation pumps. These are nozzles and this is the media. So it will overflow to the biotar 2, same process. And you have provided fresh air and exhaust. That exhaust fan will come to the gas scrubber unit. Correct, right? To gas scrubber unit, it will come to the odor. That to make the odorless, here on Syntex we have shown down. There are two monoblockers, it will resupply the water. Here chlorine plus water we are adding. Okay. Then accept fan, now the biotar 2 it will transfer to settler tank through the pump. Then water sludge will go to the return back to the collection tank, collection tank. Then it will overflow to filter tank. Same is also same sludge backwash. And this filter water will go to the PSF, ACF. Then it will go to the final tank. There is a UF ultrafiltration. Then it will UF final tank. Okay. Can you explain the ultrafiltration first? So this is the ultrafiltration. Huh? Okay. Can you explain?
This is our filter water tank.
Okay.
Filter water tank from two pumps we are using the ultrafiltration.
So you have feed pump. So what is the use of this? What is this one and this one?
That filter, some particles will be there, so that filter will
It
remove.
will okay.
If only the maximum particle will be removed from that.
Yeah.
If anything will be there, it will get
Minute particles.
particle will be removed
Okay.
from this one, and it will go to the membrane from the bottom.
Okay.
It go to the
Second membrane.
yes, both of them at the same time only.
Okay.
Then it go to the next pipe.
Okay. Oh, this is the outlet.
Same time we are using dosing our system also.
Rubber unit. This is exhaust inlet. Okay, inside media and sprinkler. So this is exhaust. What are the odors we converting? Okay. So next we will go into the organic waste digester. So this is the process flow chart of STP. So 520 KLD. So this is the organic waste digester. Correct? Huh? Okay. So grinder, organic waste grinder, grinder with collection tank, digester tank, digester effluent tank, centrifuge, then basket centrifuge. Okay. Can you explain like practically? So how? Yeah.
So this is the order waste heat.
So organic waste grinder, organic waste digester,
The vegetables in the
kitchen waste.
only vegetables, not bones, everything they need to segregate. Then only we need to
Only organic material.
organic material need to be provided here.
Okay.
So
How they will segregate? How they will segregate?
Yeah, they will segregate in the segregation table
Okay.
in that area.
Okay.
After segregation only they will come to.
So this is the capacity of the OWD?
1440.
1440 per day. That much only we need to.
Can pay from here.
Okay. So what is these things?
From this vegetables thing will be providing the what percentage of vegetable need, then that percentage of water need to be added.
Okay. Depend upon that organic and okay food.
So how much water we providing here, that much blend will be happening. It will go to the.
So this is like working standby or what?
No, both can be working, but working
Oh,
standard is up to
okay.
how much capacity is there.
Okay.
And we will go to the collection tank.
Okay. So that is go to the whatever the digester will come to the digester collection tank. Only to collect the digester.
Collection only.
Okay.
From collection tank, it will pump to the organic waste digester,
Okay.
same like STP,
Like USB tank.
USB type.
Okay.
So it will overflowing
So this through pump it is went inside.
in tank.
Okay.
And it will overflow to the next tank.
That is digested effluent.
Next,
Effluent tank.
From
Okay.
there's two pump,
Huh.
it will again come back to the organic waste again.
So what is the
Or
reason?
mixing.
To mix, to maintain whatever the different level of pH to mix together, making homogeneous mixture. Okay,
Not mixing it happen.
okay,
Then finally, using monoblock pump, it will go to the sludge. Remaining sludge will be collected to the collection syntax tank.
okay.
And it will go to the
Water, where it will go? Water.
Water from here, nothing.
So water will be there, that will go to again some.
Again it will mix.
Okay.
Then dewatering system will be there.
Oh.
The dewatering will
So this is the OWD. Okay, thanks Gokul. Here biogas we can, if you want to
Actually,
use
from practical purpose, we can use one dome there.
Okay.
So we can produce
GLS dome. Oh, gas liquid separator system. Okay. Here this is full automatic plant, Gokul.
semi-automatic
Oh, this semi-automatic. What is this sensor? I think.
sensor.
Oh, this semi-automatic. Huh? Full automatic. Can you? It will show like HMI. This is. Oh.
Yeah, this is HMI.
Okay. It will show the like pump on and off trip issues. Okay.
Whatever details we have providing, we will be providing here only.
Okay. Oh, now this methane how much now? Set. So now percentage is actual value is 0.
Zero.
If it is increased,
20, it will be allowed.
so how it is connected? Can you explain this sensor?
From this is methane sensor.
Oh, it is
So
methane.
Power supply from
Can you show where? So this is the adapter.
adapter from power supply having.
Okay.
Then there is an RS485, it will connect to the panel board.
So this communication cable.
Communication cable only.
Yeah.
From this one, it will from here, motor will be happening.
Oh, router will connect. Power supply here.
Correct.
Okay.
So RS485 will be connected. Everything, every day readings can be read.
It will show that one.
Show that.
So can you show the router? Uri, where is the router? So it will make sound alarm type if it is valve is exit more than. Oh, that is router. So it will make sound. Can you make test now? Router alba. So if it is increased, okay. So it will show the value also here. Okay, can you do the testing? Yeah. Oh, you are using for butane gas to test. Okay. Can you push it now? That day done. It is not increasing the value. Yeah, it is increasing the value. Yeah, it is showing same thing too. So same here also too. So it will increase when it will detect. Bro, Gokul. So if it is increasing 20, then it will start alarm. So now it is 10. So if it is say methane 20 is there, if it is exit 20, then it will start the hooter. So now sound it will come. So now it is exiting 20, then it will start a hooter on. So now it is at 12, but it's going reducing. I think gas is not releasing. Can you release the gas too much? Can you make? Do it. So now increasing the value. So if it go 20, yeah. Not go, bro. Still, now hooter. Yeah. That is increasing 20. So now the hooter is on. Yeah, hey, it will show yellow color. Yeah, it will now show hooter. Now hooter is on. See how hooter will work now.